Hi, this is Jackie Zach. I'm a certified action coach, business coach with the Strategic Business Center. I get asked all the time, lots and lots of questions out in the community from other business owners. And so what I thought I'd do is create a segment called Ask the Coach. The number one question I get asked all the time from anybody that I meet is, what does a business coach do? Why do business owners need a business coach? Well, I'm going to answer that question for you today. Number one, the very first thing is we help you establish your vision. You got into your business for whatever reasons, and you had passion for it, and you had an end in mind or a vision of what it is you wanted to do. So what we do is we take that vision and we help you make it concrete, and then help you create goals, help you create a plan, and help you keep the passion for your business so that you can see it all the way to the finish line. Number two is all about staying focused, because remember, every day in business we have a million things pulling at us, we have a million things going through our heads, and it's trying to keep the squirrels from getting out of control. So part of my role as a business coach is to help you stay focused on the end game. Number three is we're dedicated to you and to your business. We care as much about you and your business as you do. We find lots of business owners, they have lots of challenges, the top three being time, not enough time, team, getting a championship team, and money. Do you have enough cash flow? Some businesses also are all doing well in all three of those areas. They want to take another leap and they just don't know how to do it. So it is my role to care about you and your business, and it is my life's work to help you get to your vision. Number four is all about honest feedback and accountability. So as we're talking, we talk about staying focused on your goals and holding you accountable to reaching those goals. Because as a business owner, who's holding you accountable? Probably no one. So it is my job to help hold you accountable and give you honest feedback of every area of your business that we talk about. Number five is all about getting you out of your comfort zone and helping you change your mindset. Because as you grow your business, your mindset changes and your comfort zone changes. Because remember, your comfort zone might be here, and as I'm pushing you out of your comfort zone and you're uncomfortable, the next step is your comfort zone is here, and then we get out of our comfort zone, and so your comfort zone expands the more you get out of it. And lastly, most business owners they don't know where they're at, they don't know if they're on track with their plan. So one of the things that we do is we do a business review. We take a look at all the things that are going well, ask you lots and lots of questions, and we find the opportunities in your business to help you get your business exactly where you want it. So the last thing is taking action. So how do you take action? What's the next step? If you want to do a business review, the next step is to click on the link below and let's schedule one, because your business is your future.